Hey guys, I just bought this car from the auction, and the battery's dead, and we got a fish tank headlight. It's a very common problem. The seals up here just give out over time, and you end up with a fish tank. And let's say you're too lazy to change it, or don't have the money for it, or just want to get the water out of it for the time being. I got a really cool trick on how to get the headlight water out of the 06 Forester. It's called a drill. And put a hole in it somewhere. As ghetto as it may sound, it does work. I try to put it at the bottom so you don't, so it always will drain out. And you just gotta just drill into it like that. This water will continue to fill in the headlight, but as it fills, it'll just continue to dump out the bottom. So the headlight will still be functional with condensation inside. If you want to fix that, I got a video on how to replace this headlight. Watch it. Subscribe. I got some good stuff coming up. Watch our other videos. All right, Corey, you ready?